Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen, Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. I've come on today to let you know I won't be doing any videos this week. Probably now, would be probably next Thursday before I do a video. As some of you might know, I lost my husband last month, and it's his funeral coming up in a few days' time, so really I want to concentrate on making sure that everything's up together for that, for the 19th. Why I'm showing you this, because this friend of mine classes this, because I make cards for her to send people, and she said, I love that one, she said, but I can't take it because every time I come in it makes me smile. So I'll be doing some more of these wobbly cards, maybe with little characters and things like these. So that's what I'm planning. Oops, sorry, that might make you sick. So I'm hoping to do a few more of those, and of course I've got a few things up my sleeve for the Hydrangea Hill. If any of you would like me to do a card using a stamp set, and if I have that stamp set, I will gladly show you. So thank you for now, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.